I compared Google Stitch, UXPilot, UXMagic, and Figma Make. Let's have a look at the result. Alright, first I wrote a prompt for a grocery app. I'm going to use it on Stitch, and Stitch began to show us some screens. I don't know why I put the product details screen in the beginning. Okay, so basically this would have been the home screen. Stitch is done, but I wonder why it placed all these screens on top of each other. That's dumb. Alright, so it gave us a design system, which is not very beautiful, but whatever. Then gave us a home screen, delivery address, name of the supermarket, I guess. But this is bad. It shouldn't be this way. You have a banner over here, a search, categories over here, popular items. You can add to cart directly. You can favorite them. It says that there's a deal over this. So the structure is not bad. Recommended items. The menu has home, categories, cart, and profile. The categories icon could have been better. Product details page. So this is for fresh organic apples. It has pictures over here, reviews, total price. Okay, so I guess this is a sticky add to cart button on the bottom. Okay, this is weird over here. Why is this right aligned? That's dumb. Now everything became right aligned. That's stupid. And what kind of button is this? What kind of icons are these? So as you see, it's not perfect. It's not there yet. Would I use it? Maybe to ideate, but I wouldn't count on it. Yeah, and this is a pretty standard app. It's not like I asked it for something that's not standard. Like there's a million grocery apps that could have used. See, 1 minute it's right aligned, 1 minute it's left aligned. Let's see if we can modify it. Make it left aligned. Let's see if this fixes anything. Okay, so it fixed it for us. It left aligned it. Modify, edit, annotate, preview. What else can we do? We can copy to Figma as well. That's good. So can I edit? What's the point? You can just edit the text, I guess. So basically this is vibe designing. It creates something, you tell it fix this, fix that. But notice what it did. It ruined our icons. Now they're all solid. They were line icons before. So yeah, that's lame. Still not there yet. Still not usable in a professional context. And I'm gonna tell it to generate the instant prototype. Let's see what happens. So this is the prototype. Okay, so these are the screens in the prototype. It tells us what are the buttons that work using this dashed outline, which is very ugly. It's getting there. It will get there one day, but it's not there yet. So let me know what you guys think. Now we're back to UXMagic and it's still working. It's taking a while though. I thought it was going to be faster. What the hell? It combined a web app with a mobile app. If you notice, the header is for like a web app and the center inside is for a mobile app, which is weird. My prompt mentioned it's a mobile grocery delivery app. But the information hierarchy is good and the icons are good. So you see fruits, vegetable, dairy. The images are correct. It used the Indian currency, I guess. For some reason, it's stuck on the product details screen. It should have been done by now. So it's quite slow. It sounds like real people are actually doing these instead of an AI. I would have expected the AI to be faster. Finally finished the checkout flow. Okay, so let's zoom in and see what's been doing for us. The checkout is detailed actually. It's quite detailed. It's continental tracking. It even has a countdown. Well, it's quite detailed. The result is not bad actually. The result it gave, it's quite complex though. Oh, okay, so the app settings, it put them along with the profile. Anyway, so let's see the prototype that UXMagic did. I just don't get it. It's supposed to be a mobile app. See, what the hell? Oh, and UXPilot just designed one screen. That's lame. You can add, so this is not very aligned. This is aligned. I don't know why the inconsistency. The images are correct. So it added all our screens into one screen. So it didn't really understand the prompt. An app shouldn't be this complicated. The free plan isn't letting me do anything, which is a shame because I wanted to try out this app. In the meantime, let me try Figma Make. Let's see what's gonna give us. Okay, you have a search, you have category. Not too many details. Add to cart. Okay, where is the cart? Oh, there it is. It's actually good how everything is there. Almost everything is there. You can select the delivery address. You cannot add a new one. I guess our prompt didn't mention that because I used the simple prompt, not the complex one. Good try. I mean, there's potential there. This was Figma Make. Let's try another experiment now. Alright, let's test the wireframes feature. I'm gonna give it a wireframe for a wedding planning website. Okay, so I'm gonna give it this wireframe. Okay, so in UX Pilot we cannot do that in the free plan. Let's see what Stitch will do and let's see what UXMagic will do. So I'm just going to use the same canvas and I'm going to give it the same prompt, a homepage for a wedding planning website. Let's go back to Stitch. It created a mobile first website actually for us, which is cool. I never specified, so let's preview it. Okay, so let's preview on desktop and let's compare it to our original wireframe. So here's our original wireframe. We had text, call to action, and screenshot. Okay, this is right, but a different layout, left and right. Created vendors. Let's check out the wireframe, what it said. Okay, close enough. So basically, it created the copywriting for us, which is really cool. What else do we have? Feature 1, feature 2, feature 3, call to actions, testimonials. Let's see, Stitch. Something similar to features. Call to actions, testimonials, pretty close. Okay, so that's pretty good. So it's good at turning wireframes into real designs. And the cool thing is that the design it created is responsive. Now let's see, can we actually copy it to Figma? Oh, cool. So it did paste it in Figma. And it is editable and everything is within an auto layout, so it's perfect. Let's see how Figma Make performs. Alright, so let's compare. This was our wireframe. There you go. And it actually followed our wireframe. It added pictures as well. I don't know, random pictures. Feature 1 literally followed the text as well, unlike Stitch. Stitch added the copywriting and okay, so Stitch did a better job at making it better. Figma Make just implemented it as is, like literally, even didn't change anything regarding the spacing and things like that. I guess overall Stitch did a better job, so because it gave us a more polished and better looking website. Let's check out what UXMagic did. So it's done, but it didn't fill in anything. That's a horrible job. Let's try the last test. I'm gonna give Stitch a design and see how well it can revamp it. So I'm gonna give it a screenshot of a mobile app, which is a parking finder. Okay, so this is a screenshot. This map is showing you parking spaces. You can click on one, it shows you the location and you can book it. Let's see how Stitch is gonna revamp that. Oh, there it is. What a horrible revamp. Okay, wait, so the first one is okay. The map is nice, the buttons are nicer, definitely. The rounded search is nicer. It's added a menu, navigation menu on the bottom. Not bad, needs better spacing. Now, these options are not very nice. Size is weird as well. Interesting though, the glows that you use on the map. Not bad, maybe you can use it for inspiration. Or let's try variations. Alright, so our variations are here. 2 of them are dark mode, 1 of them is white and green. Doesn't look so nice, but this tag is overlapping the title, which is not good. All the info is there almost, so not bad. Let's see if it can create the remaining screens. Alright, so Stitch created a booking confirmed screen. It has the details of this parking, date and time, total paid with a scanner for entry. You can go to the map. That's not bad, that's quite good actually. I don't see a back button, so it's a bit incomplete. It's missing some things, but it can be worked on. So if you just go the vibe designing route, you might be able to make something out of it.
Hey, what are we designing today?
Alright, so the live mode is the one where you can actually give Stitch voice commands. I want to add more screens.
Awesome. What kind of screens are we thinking about? Let's build something incredible.
For the parking booking app, the one that I just showed you.
Right, the parking app. We've got Park Nav home screen, revamped parking map view, dark mode parking map view, parking details, booking and payment, and booking success. What new screens are we adding to the flow?
That's really cool. You can actually talk to it and vibe design using your voice by talking to it. And over here, it added the back button like we said, so that's pretty cool. So have fun with it. Alright then, so now our test is complete, and the winner is obviously Stitch. It's not perfect yet, but it has a lot of potential. And no, UI UX designers, you do not need to fear for your job because AI is not going to take it anytime soon. Subscribe and follow for similar content.